Hi everyone, Deb here. I am back for hashtag pink ribbon challenge from 2024. This is October 2024 and today would be the 15th and our prompt was an artist trading card. And this is the back. I actually did all my decorating and then I realized I'm not going to be able to stamp on it because it's so uneven over here. But so I pulled out, I have this little box. I've been using playing cards. I have this little bin that has playing cards in it as well, and but these are artist trading cards, and I think I got them from Hobby Lobby years ago, but there's nothing on it, and I could decorate the book and save artist trading cards in here, but they're all just blank white front and back, and they're already corner rounded. So I used one of those. I forgot I had them. I went looking. I thought I had some other kind, and then I also found these I could use. They're like little paper pads. This was from Joann's. I ended up not using this, but I just wanted to show you. This is kind of cool. It's like almost like getting paint swatches. You got all these different colors in here in 100 sheets of neutral papers. They had them in different colors, I think, but I think I only got the neutral. I don't remember. Anyway, hashtag pink ribbon. Our host is Jean at Jean's Gems. All the links will be down below. My name, I created this on October 6th, and it will be for day 9 of the challenge, which is October 15th, and it is trading card. That is stamped, by the way, in Stampin' Up's pecan pie, and I wrote with a Sharpie flare in a pink. I don't remember. I don't have it out anymore. So this is the card. I again used the Paige Evans Garden Shop paper. This is a scrap of paper. This is an ephemera piece from that. Now what I did on the background, the white background, is I first blended Kitsch Flamingo on, and then I spritzed it with some water. I kind of held it at a distance over my trash can and spritzed it. And then I liked that, but I wanted something shimmery. Not that any of it shows anymore. And I had this little bit of Delicata silver. Um, I'll show you what it is if I can. Oh no, I can't get to it right now. Anyway. It's like a metallic little paint pot kind of thing. If you just put a couple drops in there with alcohol, it dries quickly and it just added a shimmer, a silvery shimmer over the background. Then, because I dried it really good, then because I did all that, I wanted to stamp something on it because I knew I wanted to use this. So I brought in the Dollar Tree stamp and I used this greenery here. And I had it coming up from the bottom behind here and on the sides and a little bit on the top up here. And I use Stays On. I have about 8 Stays On pads in different colors, and I rarely use them. I need to bring them out and use them. But they stain the stamps, at least this kind, even though I used Stays On cleaner to clean it, and I don't know where I put that. I'm almost out of that, actually. I have to either get a refill thing. I don't know how they sell it. I have a spray bottle, but there's not enough in it to spray, so I just took it out and dabbed it on paper towel and wiped it off. But these stamps really stain. These were Dollar Tree stamps. You can see that one I've used a lot, and this one I just used for the first time, but it's really stained. Anyway, um, so before I put that, I put those down, right? And then there's 2 little stickers here, greenery there, and a little one over here that has sort of a bronzy gold shimmer there. You can see it right there. There's some over here, but it got kind of buried. And also this washi I'm trying to finish up. I used, what did I do with it here? This one. It's getting there. I mean, it looks like a lot, but really only that much is from here to here is washi and the rest is cardboard. So I still have a little bit left. I'm working on it. And then I thought, what am I going to do for the ribbon? Because this takes up a lot of room. And originally I had this up a little higher. But I had this ribbon that I got 40% off clearance in March of this year at Hobby Lobby. I think it was the last one, and I just thought it was so pretty. But look, there's a pink ribbon, pink bow. So I used that and I put it across the top. So it does cover up a lot of the greenery, but at least some shows through, right? And the greenery, that stamp looked similar to these, although more hollow in them. Anyway, and I thought it just needed something. There was a white strip of this, across the top. And so I felt like it needed some bling. And I had trouble figuring out what I wanted to use. And then I opened a drawer and voila, this stuff that I'm trying to use up too. Because I have a whole nother roll of this from Michael's years ago. One sec. Anywho, that's adhesive. I stuck it down and had to squish the two end ones in because it didn't fit exactly right. And then I just thought I need something down here. So these are Dollar Tree pearls. And I don't know where I put them. Maybe I put them back? No, of course not. I'm not sure where I put them. Oh, here they are. These. And I just in my live the other day I said, well, don't get Dollar Tree pearls. Get some that have different sizes. Well, look, these Jot ones used to have different sizes, so maybe they still sell some with different sizes. Although this size is really itty bitty bitty teeny. I like this size and this size. The only thing with these pearls is they're so dimensional. So I tend not to use them on like greeting cards and stuff because they're bigger, higher up than these. So yeah, that's my artist trading card for October 15th, hashtag pink ribbon challenge, and there's my pink ribbon. So you can't really see any of the splatter or anything. You can see the greenery in the background. It's okay. It's not my favorite, and these actually look more peach to me now than pink. They looked like the same color there, but now they don't. It's all right. It doesn't matter because there's a little bit of peach in these flowers and yellow too, so it's okay. All right. Hope you enjoyed that and do come back tomorrow, the 16th, and I forget what we're doing. Let me see if I can tell you. We are doing a tree. Actually, I haven't made that as of the time of this recording, which is October 6th. So, yeah, stay tuned. I don't know what it'll look like. Take care. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful rest of your week. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.